Gentlemen, welcome to the video, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day and getting your goals done, doing whatever it is you gotta do to become successful. Now today, we'll be talking about something very important, and it has to do, if you guys already saw the title, how to make money in 2021. I know a lot of you are like, wait, it's still 2020, why are you telling me about 2021? Well boys, if you listen to what I have to say, you can easily make a lot of money by the start of 2021 by just doing exactly what I'm going to tell you in this video. But before we get started, what I need from all of you to do right now is hit that like button down below. That way you guys can have even more luck, get more money by 2021. Now that we got that out the way, let's get started. Gentlemen, the first advice I'm going to give you to make a lot of money in 2021 is to invest in the stock market today. Why? I'm gonna tell you why. If you haven't been looking at the stock market right now, it is at the lowest it has ever been in a while, and it's getting lower just because of the coronavirus and all that. It's having an impact on the stock market, but things are starting to open up, things are starting to head into a more positive direction. But if you right now take advantage of the stocks that are getting lower and getting lower and getting to an amount that if you invest, when they reach their full potential by the end of the year, because that's what everyone's saying, that by the end of the year everything's going to start opening up, everything's going to start going back to the way it is, gentlemen, you are going to flourish from that. You're going to benefit so much just by investing money into stocks right now. Let me tell you, it's not a hard thing to do. It's literally finding out what company you need to invest in, do your research, and just invest your money. I know everybody here has some money to spare. Everybody's either got their unemployment checks, or they still have their 1200 stimulus check, or they're finally working again. You have money saved up. You have money somehow. You need to invest in you. You need to make money work for you, not the other way around no more. Alright? Invest in the stock market right now. Trust me, the stocks are getting lower as we speak. As I'm making this video right now, they're still getting lower, and it's gonna make it even more interesting. It's just going to intrigue you even more to buy it, and trust me, the potentials on those stocks are gonna go through the roof, because right now they're the lowest they've been. They're only getting lower, and the potential it has when everything comes back to normal, you're just gonna reap off the benefits from it. The second thing I'm gonna tell you is you need to start flipping on eBay right now. Even though a lot of people haven't been doing this, I've been doing it for almost a year now, and it's been awesome. It is still has the potential to make you so much money. And why? A lot more people right now are converting to online shopping and don't want to go out their house no more to actually buy things. And where can you benefit off that? eBay. I literally made so much money on eBay, and I know I can make a lot more. That's why I'm telling you boys that this is such a good way for you to make an extra 2, 3, maybe 1,000 if you really work hard. 1,000 every single week if you go hard on eBay and you start flipping items. And trust me, flea markets, garage sales, all that, they're still gonna be in play. They're still gonna happen because people want to get rid of their stuff, and towns are gonna give away permits and stuff like that for people to sell their stuff and get rid of them. And then that's where you come in. You go in hard on Saturday, Sunday, even Fridays, because sometimes they have them on Fridays. You go hard for 3 days and just get stuff and get them and fill your house full of stuff, put them on eBay, list them, package them. Trust me, you're gonna make a lot of money just by doing that. And it only takes like literally 2 days of work, because that's how it, like, if you space it out really and then you add up the entire time, it literally just takes 2 days of work for a whole week to make $1,000. That's what it really is. It's not that much time. A lot of people think it's time consuming, but guess what? Any work you do is gonna be time consuming. The third way you can make money, a lot of money in 2021, is investing in real estate. A lot of us don't know how to do it, or don't know the first step, or even know about investing in real estate. And it's seriously one of the best ways to make a lot of money, especially in 2021. Gentlemen, let me tell you, the real estate game is amazing. I'm going to get into it because it's something I always wanted to do. I'm already doing research, doing planning, all that stuff to start getting myself into the real estate game. Whether I'm not going to be a broker or none of that stuff at all. It's just literally what you can do is buy property, flip them, or buy property and rent them out to people, or just buy property, basically rent them out. It doesn't have to be the person living there. It can be you buy a property, fix it up, and then rent it out to a business owner, and that way you're making money constantly, and you don't have to do any work. You just have to literally bill the person who you're renting it to every single month, and you're making money because you invested it into a property and now you're renting it out to someone. So that's literally the best way to make money, period, in any situation, and that's real estate. There's so much to be done in real estate, and you have to take advantage of it. It's seriously the best way to make money. And finally, number 4, you have to invest in yourself. And you're probably telling me, well, how can I make a lot of money? Well, if you haven't figured it out, you are your best investment, period. Gentlemen, you should look at yourself and realize the best thing I can ever do is invest in myself. Doesn't matter how much money you pour on yourself, whether it be coaching, learning new things, growing your mindset, growing your knowledge, whatever it is, the best investment you'll ever make is for yourself. Because if you do not invest in yourself, you're not going to be able to grow, you're not going to be able to become successful and make a lot of money. You need to invest in yourself, period. And sometimes it doesn't even cost money to do it. You can do it for free. I've done it for free mostly right now. I may have invested a little bit of money, but I didn't invest a lot. What I did invest was my time to invest in myself. The effort, the consistency, the perseverance, the resilience, all that works into investing in yourself. And trust me, when you do it, it's gonna feel a lot good. And you stick it out to the end, you're gonna reap off all the benefits, and you're gonna live the life you always wanted and have all the money you ever dreamed of. Gentlemen, those are 4 ways, and I know there's a lot more, so if you definitely want to know of other ways, I'm gonna make another video course about this. But if you have any tips or any one that you want me to talk about in the next video, please comment down below. That way I know to talk about that topic in the next video. Other than that, boys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let's keep crushing it. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and remember to always believe in yourself. Peace.